afternoon. How y'all doing? I had something waiting on me when I came back from Nomad Fest and Lola's meetup. Let me show ya. Look what I got. I'm so excited. I got the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. I got the small one, okay? Now, I had a New Wave oven, and I had the air fryer. Y'all seen me use that many times. I wanted something that would do what both of those items did, and this one will. Plus, it's a dehydrator, and it has a rotisserie and a basket. So it comes with the manual. Woohoo! And look here. 3 cookbooks. See, rotisserie, dehydration, and America's Favorites. Yes, I am super excited. It comes with this basket, kind of like the one that was in the air fryer I had. It has the rotisserie basket. You can put like French fries, you know, tater tots, that kind of thing in there. Okay. We have skewers that go on the rotisserie. Okay, I'm going to be doing some Cornish hens this week. And they call this the fetch tool, because you use it to fetch the rotisserie and the basket. Fetch tool. Alright. And you get 3 of these trays. My oven, the generation before this, the door came down like this and people were burning their hands. Mine opens from the side. I've already got my pan in here because I'm going to make cornbread for my son and his family. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. But look here. It even has a splatter guard up here at the top. Now, I ordered mine online. Okay? The only thing I did not get was the deflector for baking. I know how to deal with that, so I'm not worried about it. But the thing I don't like about this oven is it's 1700 watts. That's a lot, folks. That's a lot. But it fits perfectly into my oven, and I will be putting the pressure cooker in this bench for storage, so I won't have to worry about things falling while we are on the road. So let me get to the cornbread and see how this works. We are going to fix our cornbread, little jiffy mix. Now y'all, I practiced this, okay? I've been making sure that I'm doing this right. I've probably made 5 batches of cornbread. So we are going to do another batch for y'all. Super easy. Super easy. I learned a few little tricks. Yeah. You know, every time you buy one of these new kind of appliances, you've got to figure it out. Oh, my apron's dirty. I'm sorry. So let's go ahead and get the milk and the eggs. Alright. Liquid eggs. 3 tablespoons. It's just easier for us to store this thing of liquid eggs than it is for us to get real eggs. Okay, there we go. Okay. Alright. And got 1/3 of a cup of milk since I'm only using one package. Oh, that's a little over. Hold up. Don't want it too moist. I got my pan sprayed. Oh, and I did learn too that a lighter pan does better cornbread, because I had a dark pan and it didn't do so good. Let's get her all stirred up here. I know this is not the meal y'all were expecting, but I'm learning. I'm learning. So we're going to learn together. All right, let's see here. Alright, that's about the consistency that you want. Like you're making pancakes. Well, a little less than pancakes. Like cake icing. That's what it's like. Yeah. And you don't want it too dry. So, you know, it's a little balance there. Get enough in there to make it moist, but not too moist. Okay, spread it all out in your pan. Okay. Yes, I always wash off all my dishes because I hate when stuff sticks to the dishes. Gosh, it just makes for a pain in the neck. Alright. Now, let's bring y'all over here. Okay? Here we go. Alright. And you see, I put this rack in here. Okay? And I'm setting my cornbread on top of it. We're going to, because the box calls for the Jiffy box calls for 15 to 18 minutes, I do believe. So we're going to start out with it on 14 minutes. Because that's what I figured out, that this oven is calibrated to cook the cornbread at. So here we go. Take a sneak peek. Ooh, I've already made one. This is a big family, so we've got to feed these babies. Okay, I know that the French fries are 15 minutes for 400, but I'm going to take it down to 14. And there we go. She's going to bake up just great. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. When it goes off, it takes 18 seconds for that to go off. And then it'll sound the little buzzer. Almost done. Alright. Here we go. There you go. Oh, look how nice that looks. Very nice. Woohoo. Alright. Okay, let's take it out. Very nice looking cornbread. Very nice. A little crispy on the edge, but that's okay. Consistency of that cornbread. It's not too moist. It's not too dry. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Y'all enjoy. I'm going to have me some cornbread. Woohoo! Cornbread and milk. Yeah, I know. It's a southern thing. Y'all give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll be cooking up some more stuff here soon. Woohoo!